How to avoid waste of energy. With the fast growth of civilization, there is also an ever mounting need for energy. Energy may be in the form of fuels or electricity. The world appears to have reactivated energy to a liquid fuel like petrol. This is likely to be exhausted in the course of a few years at the rate man is using it. Electricity depends on oil or water resources, and when oil goes, water resources cannot keep up with the demand. Everybody is caught up with the problem of conservation of energy. To meet the challenge, various methods have been suggested. One is to suppress the demand. Rationing has to be brought in by means of legislation so that non-essential consumption may be brought to the minimum. In fact, this is being done when the power supply becomes chronically short. There can be a power cut. During certain hours of the day, the power supply can shut down, thus, power is saved or conserved for better use. Energy conservation is possible through modernization of plant and equipment. In fact, where obsolete equipment is in use, it can be replaced by modern, energy saving ones. Energy can be saved at domestic level by better housekeeping. Modern gadgets consuming energy should be used only when they are absolutely necessary. Luxury items like television, radio, and record player can be used sparingly. Wasteful usage of lights can be avoided. Meaningless illumination must be given up. In industry, though, through adapting quality control measures, energy can be saved. It is also possible by reorganizing and streamlining systems through structural changes, as in modernizing equipment. For example, by adopting a better design in electrical motors, efficiency can be improved. Energy can be saved on transport by the following methods. People should commute by the rail rather than by cars and vans. Animal drawn vehicles may be encouraged for very short distances. This is being done in countries where there is a village economy and animals like bullocks are not scarce. The transport system must be improved with a view to sparing the energy. Cities must be planned in such a way that the commuting distance is minimized. In industry, many things could be done to reduce waste of energy or to economize energy. The maintenance may be tightened. Waste heat must be utilized properly. If systems are streamlined, economy is fuel could be obtained instead of using materials requiring higher energy. Those which require lower energy can be used. By affecting minor changes in the existing plants, economy in energy could be achieved. Energy question is a major global problem and is drawing attention for all. But we can hope man, with his ever rising urge for existence, will cope with this major and the most urgent problem and find alternatives.